Welcome to the EU Economics Brief, your trusted source for essential updates on Europe's economy. As mid-2025 unfolds, Europe stands at a pivotal moment. This report highlights key trends shaping markets and policy. Our focus: how these changes impact investors, policymakers, and businesses across the continent. Stay informed. Let's get started. The euro has reached multi-year highs against both the US dollar and the British pound in mid-2025. This surge is driven by renewed market confidence in European stability and prospects. Analysts point to robust exports, steady ECB policy, and relative political calm. Some professionals welcome the euro's strength as a sign of resilience, while others worry about export competitiveness. On r/EU_economics, user u/manyfox 9891 remarked, "We are a shit show capturing skepticism," while u/full discussion 3745 noted, "The EU is playing the long game." A stronger euro makes imports cheaper and can help contain inflation, but may dampen export growth. The ECB continues to monitor these trends, balancing benefits and risks. The euro's future will depend on US policy, global trade, and domestic performance. For now, the currency's gains underscore renewed confidence in Europe's markets. German quantum startup eleQtron has been named a 2025 technology pioneer by the World Economic Forum. This recognition highlights Europe's growing role in deep tech and quantum innovation. eleQtron's scalable quantum computing solutions have potential applications in finance, logistics, and cybersecurity. The WF's selection signals international acknowledgement of European research and entrepreneurship. On r/EU_economics, user uQuantumLeapU commented, "This is exactly the kind of deep tech Europe should be backing." Many see eleQtron's recognition as validation of the continent's focus on innovation-driven growth. By fostering startups like eleQtron, Europe is strengthening its position in the global technology race. Continued support for research and investment will be essential to sustain this momentum. European equity markets have shown resilience and steady growth through the first half of 2025. Despite global uncertainty, major indices across the continent have posted solid returns. Stable monetary policy, improved corporate earnings, and robust consumer demand support this performance. Visual capitalist charts highlight the upward trend in European equities. On r/EU_economics, user uDividend stated, "We're still in the green," reflecting cautious optimism. European companies have adapted by focusing on efficiency and innovation. The equity market's performance is seen as a barometer of broader economic health. For now, steady gains reinforce the narrative of a stable and adaptable region. In 2025, services and consumer spending are the primary drivers of EU GDP growth. This shift reflects broader changes, with dynamic service sectors like finance, tech, and tourism complementing traditional manufacturing. Consumer confidence remains robust, fueling demand across industries. Eurostat data shows services now account for the largest share of output in most member states. On r/EU_economics, user Eurostat fan observed, "It's not all about GDP, it's what's behind it." Services tend to be more resilient to global shocks and provide stable employment. As Europe transitions toward a service-oriented economy, supporting these sectors will be key to sustainable growth. European authorities have intensified their crackdown on fraudulent Chinese imports in 2025. This action aims to protect EU markets, ensure fair competition, and uphold the single market's integrity. Customs officials are deploying advanced inspection technologies and increasing collaboration to address violations. On r/EU_economics, user uFairtradeEU commented, "Finally, someone's doing something." The crackdown is seen as a step toward leveling the playing field for European producers. Enforcement focuses on detecting false declarations, under-invoicing, and mislabeling. The EU's commitment to rules-based commerce and market fairness remains essential for stability and growth. Next week, Norwegian startup investor Steiner Svalesen will host a live Ask Me Anything on r/EU_economics. The session will focus on investing in European startups, innovation trends, and growth opportunities. Viewers are encouraged to submit questions in advance to engage directly with an experienced investor. Svalesen is known for his expertise in early-stage investments and commitment to fostering innovation. Community members can participate by posting questions or joining the live session. Don't miss this opportunity to gain first-hand perspectives on the future of European innovation. From the euro's renewed strength to breakthroughs in quantum technology and decisive trade enforcement, Europe's economy is evolving. The steady growth of equity markets and the rising importance of services illustrate the region's adaptability. Actions to ensure market fairness and support innovation are shaping a more competitive future. Community engagement remains central to understanding these trends. For continued updates and expert analysis, join the conversation at https://www.reddit.com/r/EU_economics/. Europe's economic journey is ongoing, and your voice matters.